Alright guys, it's currently 11:40 or 8:40, so about 4 minutes to the 15-minute open range plays out. It looks like it might pop to the upside here, but we're gonna be patient and we're gonna wait for a 5-minute candle to break either above here or below here in order to go long or short. So it does look like it wants to pop up, so we're just gonna wait, be patient, and that's about it. Alright guys, we're getting that push above the range here. We're gonna wait for a good 5-minute close here, but pretty obvious that this thing was gonna go up here. Just wanna wait. We want to see it close above on the 5-minute, and then go long here at the retest. Alright guys, I might go long here. So if I see a push here, I'm gonna go long. Alright, we're going long here, guys.
Order filled.
I did 2 contracts. I accidentally did 2. I only do 1. I only want to do 1, but we're gonna see how high this thing can push here. Come on, push, push, push. If this thing pushes, this might be a really good entry, but I have a feeling it's gonna pull back here. Yeah, I'm gonna do stop loss for both, guys. I don't like this super tight move here. I don't like getting in at the high either. But so far it's working out here, so hopefully this pushes, man. I want this to be a quick day, quick day, quick day. Let's go. Push, push, push.
Stop filled.
Alright, looks like we got filled there. That was a quick little dip there, so kind of glad I have my stop. This thing can easily just dump, but I'm gonna continue watching this, guys. I want this to pull back just a little back to this top of the orb, and I'll go long again. Alright, we're watching the price go back to the orb here, so we're gonna see what price does. My plan here is gonna be to see if it bounces off the 5-minute VWAP here, guys, or these EMAs, and they continue going up. But if it breaks below that, my next target is going to be obviously the bottom of that range, and if it breaks below that, I'm going to go for shorts, guys. But if you look here on the 5-minute, guys, we didn't see a really good 5-minute closure above the 15-minute open range here. So me getting up long there was pretty risky. That's why I moved my stop loss straight into break even as soon as I got into profit, guys, because this can easily happen. See how if I didn't have my stop losses in profit, guys, I would have already lost like $800 with those 2 contracts. So we're definitely we're gonna be sitting here and waiting what the price does, guys. It does look like it's gonna be hitting the bottom here. It's currently rejecting off the 5-minute VWAP here, so we might go long. Alright guys, you guys can see we're basically breaking below the bottom of the range now. So we see close 5-minute here, so we got a 5-minute closure with this candle, and then we might even have a full 5-minute closure with this candle. And once we see that, guys, I gotta go for shorts at this point now, because we obviously kind of failed to break above. Good thing we actually did not take a loss. We actually made money because of moving my stop loss to break even super quick, guys. So that's something you gotta realize and learn when it's a good time to move your stop loss early or not. So obviously this saved us from taking a big loss. And now we're gonna break it down to the 1 minute, and I'm gonna wait for price to kind of get as close as to these EMAs. It looks like we're kind of respecting the 9 EMA here. I'm gonna see if I can get as close to that 9 EMA before I start going short here. So yeah, there we go, guys. We have a full 5-minute candle closure here pretty soon. I'm gonna go on the Yeah, so about 2 minutes left here for the candle to close. I'm gonna be patient, guys. I do want this to pull back and then go short. Alright, guys, so the market sold off without us, guys, so kind of missed out on that trade. The reason why I didn't take it is because I didn't see a nice little pullback. It's slowly grinding down, so we still might see that nice pullback. But yeah, see, we got this 5-minute full closure here. We did get this 5-minute closure here. We could have got in at this little tap at the bottom of the range, and then obviously sold off. But I wanted to see a better pullback, and I didn't get it. And now we're just selling off from that top. So, I mean, from 550 to 350, 200 points already, guys. So 200 point move there that we just missed out on. But I have a good feeling this thing's gonna pull back here to the VWAP or the EMA levels, and then we might even get a better entry here to sell with the market. So we're just gonna be patient and just wait. All right, guys, we're getting some crazy moves today. As you guys can see, we literally broke below the range, 200 points. Now we're back in the range. And honestly, guys, this thing could go either way at this point. This thing can break above the top of the range and or break below. But my bets are that this thing's probably going to break below. But I'm going to see what the market does here at VWAP, EMAs. It breaks above all these levels. I mean, this thing can go anywhere at that point. But if it can stay and hold below all these levels, the VWAP, which is the blue line, and the EMAs, I think we can see some more selling pressure here. But we're just going to be patient and watch. We could have been done trading if we just went short here, but you know, it was kind of hard to enter into that trade. But all right, guys, so we pulled back to this range here, and it looks like we might be rejecting off this EMAs. So if we do see an engulfing candle here on the 5-minute and we start seeing price sell off, guys, I'm gonna go short. So I do want to see this last buying candle gets engulfed by a sell candle, or if we just sell off aggressively, guys, I'm gonna happen to sell. Alright, guys, so we rejected off these EMAs and VWAP, so I'm gonna go short here.
Order filled.
I think we can easily retest these lows down here. So got in pretty late, guys. I easily should have got in when we broke below this level, like I said earlier, but low-key kind of distracted working on something else here. So hopefully this plays out. Alright, yeah, guys, looks like we're gonna get out of this trade early, man. This thing just literally right when we get in, of course. Alright, guys, I got my stop in. This is, wow, a doozer, bro. There's no way this thing just exploded like that, dude. Right when we get in, bro. Are you serious? 100 fucking points, dude. There is no way, dude. Told you guys, today's gonna be a crazy day, bro. There is no way, man. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out here. This is insane. Wow. I could have waited 10 seconds. That would have avoided this. Yeah, I'm
Order filled.
Guys.
Order filled.
Long here. Come on, dude. Just pop already. Man, this was insane, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna have my stop loss for both just in case already, guys, because I already have a good feeling this thing can just sell off like crazy. Once we get this push here, guys, I'm gonna move one of my stop loss right before below this candle here. Come on, pop, 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 pop. Come on, just another little pop, dude. Just another little pop. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. I'm going to start taking profit
Stop
here, guys.
filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
Alright, that's fine, guys. At least we were able to recover some of this. This thing could probably easily go up. I mean, I either try to get a better entry to recover the rest.